Hello, welcome to the Hustlepreneur channel. In this SamCart review, I will discuss my experience with this software, who it's suitable for, its benefits and downsides, and whether or not it's worth it for your business. SamCart is an online shopping cart software established in 2013 by Scott and Brian Moran. It's been around for a long time, but it seems to be everywhere recently. Many marketers, company owners, and entrepreneurs praise it as the most incredible shopping cart software available today. But does it truly live up to the hype? SamCart may be utilized in a variety of various ways across a lot of different sectors. They have solutions for course developers, writers, coaches/consultants, agencies, side hustlers, Amazon and Etsy merchants, physical product vendors, entrepreneurs, and even nonprofits. If an individual is seeking to sell a product or service online, SamCart can assist. In terms of online shopping carts, SamCart stands out as one of the finest in the market. SamCart is a terrific choice when attempting to sell anything online. They've combined their platforms with hundreds of other applications. I enjoy their one-click upsell capabilities and statistics. Lastly, from my own experience, the support quality of SamCart is unequaled by others. Is SamCart worth it? I think SamCart is well worth the money since, compared to the bulk of other shopping cart systems, it includes plenty of helpful features. It is tailored to help you enhance conversions, eventually boosting your bottom line. As a marketer, you know the value of testing your sites to improve conversions, and SamCart has done all the work to ensure you maximize the profit you generate from each transaction. So, for example, if you sell a $47 PDF on your website and use a conventional checkout form, you may be unable to add an upsell. But, with an upsell to the same offer, using SamCart, you may be able to sell an extra $60 product to 30% of your consumers. What does this imply for you? This implies more income per sale and a greater average order size, which eventually translates to more money in your pocket. The innumerable evaluations and testimonies from pleased customers speak for themselves. Who is SamCart good for? SamCart is great for anyone who sells items online. From tangible things to digital products, including courses, events, publications, and seminars. You may also use it to offer services, such as consulting services on your website. But, like every other shopping cart software, it's specially created for a certain sort of user, which means it won't be suitable for everyone. So, depending on whether you offer information items, software, memberships, or services, so watch this video to the end to learn the many features and capabilities of SamCart so you can assess whether or not it's the appropriate shopping cart for you. Top SamCart functionality. The one thing that can make you select SamCart above other forms of shopping cart software is its capability. This is where its actual powers reside. We look at each of SamCart's features, so you can get a better picture of why SamCart is distinct from the others and how it might be advantageous to your organization. One-click upsells. This is one of the primary elements that separate SamCart from the rest. The platform offers one-click upsells that help you optimize your revenues from each transaction you make. If you are not employing upsells as part of your sales funnel, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. The world's biggest retailer, Amazon, says that almost a third of its income comes from upselling attempts. SamCart makes upselling quick and smooth, and according to their website, after you put it up, it will improve your client value by up to 68.1%. Bump offers. SamCart additionally provides you with cross-selling order bumps. This approach, often known as bundling, is when you combine the core product or service with complementary items to boost the earnings from each transaction. An example of this notion at work is when McDonald's provides you with fries and beverages with your burgers. Or, if you acquire sports equipment, you could also get an offer for half-price gym membership or anything like that. So, for instance, if you sell laptops using SamCart shopping cart software, you may also provide bump offers of laptop bags and antivirus packages as a method to boost your client value. SamCart makes this exceedingly easy to achieve with just a button click. All you have to do is set it up, and the platform will do the rest to encourage users to purchase its streamlined checkout procedure. Checkout pages. The checkout platform of SamCart features 18 professionally designed shopping cart themes, all proven to convert. All the pages are mobile responsive and include a unique sandbox mode that allows you to ensure that everything is operating flawlessly before going public. This differs from conventional shopping cart software, where you have to publish your page and test it. A lot of well-known marketers utilize SamCart, which implies that you will be able to avoid having to spend numerous hours building and testing checkout pages on your own. You can simply take the words of the professionals before you and harness their hard work to see instant results in your marketing and sales operations. All the checkout page designs on SamCart also come with built-in testimonials, security reassurances, guarantees, and other trust factors to enhance conversion rates. All you have to do is choose a template to utilize and then edit it to match your brand colors and style. One-page checkout. This is a unique feature that provides you with the flexibility to add several payment methods to a single checkout page. For instance, if you sell an online course for $447, you can use SamCart to give your consumers a payment plan. Still, you would have to utilize different checkout pages on other shopping cart pages to do that. SamCart's one-page checkout keeps visitors on the page as they decide on the best way to pay for your product. As an internet marketer, I'm sure you realize the value of being able to retain your visitors on page. Otherwise, you risk losing them completely if they leave for whatever reason. Affiliate Center. SamCart makes it easy for you to sell your things online and join a huge army of affiliates who will market your stuff and raise your earnings. The platform's affiliate management tool is so extensive that you don't even have to spend time advertising your products or services. There is no need to pay for commercials or marketing since affiliates spread the word about your product or service. It's a simple method to create sales, as you only have to pay affiliates after they earn a sale for you. Subscription Saver. If you offer subscription items online, this is one SamCart feature that you will find particularly enticing. As you well know, not everyone pays on time, every time. Some missing payments can be due to credit cards that simply expired, or it might be dishonest persons who refuse charges or deactivate their cards to avoid meeting their responsibilities. Regardless of why payments don't go through, it's terrible news for the marketer since, frequently, you can't collect your money, barring taking legal action against the buyer. SamCart helps to shield you against expired credit cards and denied payments by sending your clients an email on your behalf if a payment fails. In the email, there will be a link where clients may change their payment information on file right from their inbox. This protects you from wasting important time hunting down consumers who have failed to make their payments. For those customers who fail to update their payment details after getting many emails, SamCart immediately cancels their membership and classifies them as delinquent, so you know precisely who they are and may choose to contact them if you want to. You can maintain checks on what's going on with Subscription Saver using SamCart's easy and effective Dunning report. A/B testing. All marketers have a decent sense of how crucial it is to split test everything. Split testing can be very effective if you have a high cart abandonment rate. Even a modest change might result in a large rise in your income. This goes for your blog post headers, opt-in pages, email subject lines, sales pages, and everything else you can think of. But few marketers ever truly bother testing their checkout websites. When you consider exactly how much money you stand to gain by optimizing your pages, it makes no sense that someone would deliberately overlook such a vital element of their sales funnel. Luckily, SamCart makes this portion easy, as well. You can even do live A/B testing on your sites, a capability that is unique as far as shopping cart pages go. There are loads of various things you can test on SamCart, such as modifying the template, testing out a different guarantees/testimonial, etc., eliminating fields. Studies have shown that the fewer fields you have, the better, and much more. SamCart integrations. SamCart offers a wide choice of connections that will allow you to link your shopping cart to the rest of your marketing stack. Here are some of the primary integrations on the platform. Payment providers. One of the first things you're urged to do after entering SamCart is set up your payment processor. So yet, there are just two alternatives available. Still, SamCart is working on introducing other connectors to the shopping cart platform. It's also vital to remember that there are no cryptocurrency payments, such as Bitcoin, or mobile payments, such as Apple Pay, on the site. Email marketing providers. For most marketers, email marketing is among the most critical integrations to consider when picking a shopping cart solution. The good news is that SamCart supports various email marketing systems like iContact, HubSpot, Entreport, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, and Drip. Membership platforms. SamCart supports a broad selection of membership platforms, including Thinkific, Post Affiliate Pro, Wishlist Member, Digital Access Pass, Optimize Member, and MemberMouse. Webinar platforms. If you offer webinars as part of your marketing plan, you may utilize SamCart's checking out software to sell your products and services. Although there currently aren't any native connections for webinar platforms on SamCart, the software readily interfaces with Zapier, which allows you to connect to a broad selection of webinar services, including GoToWebinar and Webinar Jam. Fulfillment services. If you sell physical items using SamCart shopping cart software, you only have one choice accessible to you for fulfillment: ShipStation. However, using Zapier, you can link out to various additional fulfillment systems to meet your business needs. SamCart pricing. If you're paying monthly, SamCart has 4 distinct plans. Launch, $49 per month. Grow, $99 per month. Scale, $199 per month. Enterprise, $399 per month. If you want to go with an annual plan, you'll save 20% on all these rates. The price structure is straightforward, and the features accessible in each plan build on the ones from the preceding plan. For instance, when you acquire the Grow plan, you receive all the launch capabilities, plus a few additional features, such as customer management, subscription charge reminders, advanced subscription cancellations, and so on. The same goes if you opt for the Scale plan. You get all the tools offered in the Grow plan and extra features like the Dunning tool, Affiliate Center, CRM connectors, and A/B testing. Each plan comes with a 14-day free trial and a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you pay yearly, you enjoy further reductions on the above-rated rates. Product support. SamCart offers help in several ways, including email, live chat, and a Facebook group. They also feature thorough instruction on the site and an intuitive, user-friendly layout that is meant to remove any bottlenecks and assist newbies in simply utilizing the platform. Here is a more extensive look at the help supplied by SamCart. Intuitive interface. From the minute you log onto the platform, you will be directed to the steps to follow to assist you in getting set up as soon as possible. Assist Center. SamCart includes a rich knowledge base with written materials and video tutorials to help you overcome any potential difficulties you could run up against. Live chat. If you run up against a situation that requires urgent help, you may receive support via SamCart's live chat. Although the reaction time might vary, for the most part, SamCart support is fairly prompt to requests for help. Facebook group. SamCart has a vast Facebook community of over 24,000 users and includes a support team that will cheerfully answer all your inquiries on Facebook. Email support. Although SamCart doesn't give direct contact to the help team, they do offer email support during business hours, that is, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time weekdays. You may combine SamCart with Zapier, allowing you to quickly connect with over 3,000 marketing automation tools and applications to help you automate your job, supercharge your productivity, and enhance your bottom line. SamCart helps keep your online tax simple. All you have to do is provide your marketplace URL and VAT ID wherever relevant. SamCart will automatically discover the proper tax rates for each client and then charge them sales tax accordingly. SamCart not only accepts coupons, but the platform also provides one of the most detailed control capabilities compared to other shopping cart software over how you use coupons for your products and services. For instance, instead of having any one discount applied automatically to all your items, you have the choice of applying one coupon to certain products and a different coupon to other products in the same sales funnel. SamCart includes a powerful A/B testing function designed to help you enhance your conversions. You may test every component of your checkout page to determine which versions work best with your audience. The site also features in-depth lessons for people new to split testing and gives a step-by-step method to assist you in hitting the ground testing. SamCart offers a 30-day money-back guarantee if you decide the program is not for you. Just make sure you cancel your membership a few days before the payment is supposed to go off to prevent needing to pay for an additional month. The site also provides a free 14-day trial, making it less likely that you would require a refund as you'll have the time to get to know the platform in depth before subscribing to any premium plans. With regards to affiliate commissions, SamCart doesn't compensate you. Rather, you obtain your compensation straight from the merchant or affiliate manager on the network. Payments will be made using approved payment methods such as PayPal and Stripe. SamCart pros and cons. SamCart, like every other software, comes with its benefits and downsides. I have mentioned them so you know precisely what to anticipate from this shopping cart. SamCart pros. User-friendly platform. SamCart is a user-friendly platform for selling physical and digital items online. Integrations. The program interfaces with many marketing tools and services using Zapier. Flexible payment options. SamCart also supports flexible monthly models, including payment plans, subscriptions, and trials. Supports one-click upsells. You may employ one-click upsells, downsells, and even bumps to improve your income. Granular coupons and discounts control. You have granular control over how you use coupons and discounts for your items. Affiliate management. SamCart offers an inbuilt affiliate marketing program management system that competes with other shopping carts. This will let you manage your affiliate program fast and easily. Great support. SamCart offers a wide knowledge base to help you with all sorts of concerns. You can also obtain assistance by email, Facebook group, and live chat. Reporting and analytics. The platform offers an outstanding reporting dashboard that gives you helpful insights from your data. SamCart cons. Not great for services. SamCart isn't well suited for selling services. However, you may still do so by being creative with how you label your offer. Lack of design possibilities. Compared to competing for shopping cart software in the same pricing range, SamCart's design and customization options for its checkout templates are restricted. No Bitcoin payments. When utilizing SamCart, you need to find another solution for taking cryptocurrency payments. It also doesn't feature Apple Pay. Few payment integrations. Although SamCart includes many payment models, it interfaces with relatively few payment processors, such as PayPal and Stripe. High price. SamCart does offer an incredible range of capabilities, but the cost is still a bit high for small business owners and individual marketers. This is particularly true when contrasted with platforms like ThriveCart, which offers its services for a one-time cost. Final thoughts. SamCart is undoubtedly authentic for digital marketers who wish to offer services or items, both physical and digital, online. It's an economical shopping cart software that makes it easy to maximize each of your purchases via multiple payment options, discounts, coupons, and boost offers so you can improve your income. SamCart is a fantastic tool that is easy to set up and is a terrific addition to any online business. I hope you find my SamCart review helpful. The best way to show your appreciation for this video is to like, comment, and share.